Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I need to clean my glasses. I figured I would vlog today because I have a lot of errands to run. I have to go get my oil changed. I need to go to TJ Maxx. I need to go to Kirkland's. I wouldn't mind going to Home Goods or something. I have a plant that I just bought from Kirkland's the other day that I need a little basket for. And I also need to go to Target because I need an outfit for a wedding this weekend. I may go to lunch with my mom today, so I figured I would bring you guys along. Hopefully I'm not too shy in some of these places to vlog, because I feel like that's what stops me from vlogging a lot of the times. Alright you guys, I just got to Target and it doesn't look that busy, so maybe I won't be shy to vlog. I'm in my mom's car, so there's no way to like set the tripod up because her dash is really weird. So sorry about like the steering wheel right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in and try to find something to wear for this wedding. And if I'm not too shy, I'm going to take you guys along with me. So many people have pulled in beside me and I was going to start vlogging, and then I was like, oh, hey. And it was so awkward, but okay, I'm just going to do it.
Welcome to Starbucks, I can help you.
Hi, can I have a grande chai tea latte with 2 pumps of caramel?
Sure. You want the regular amounts of chai, right?
The what? I'm sorry?
You want like the 4 pumps of chai that we normally put in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I get you anything else?
That's it.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good. good. Would you like a stopper?
No, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Okay, now let's get out of here. I don't like driving my mom's car. It's so big. Okay, y'all, so I just got out of TJ Maxx. Sorry for this angle, but like I said, I can't put my thing up here. So I was just gonna show you what I got at TJ Maxx. I couldn't really, they didn't have a lot of home decor stuff, but when I went into the like beauty section, they had these Dr. Jart face masks. Sorry to say, they're the Shake and Shot. I got this one, and it's just a rubber firming mask. I'm not really sure what it says to do, but I got it for $5.99. I don't know how much they are normally, but I got that. And I also got this from Boscia. I've actually really wanted to try this before. It's the luminizing black mask. It's a peel-off mask. It was $7.99, and I checked to make sure that they hadn't been tampered with, and they hadn't been. This one still has the seal on it and everything like that, so I'm good to go. You always want to make sure stuff, like if you buy makeup at TJ Maxx or like different places like that, Ross, Burke's, Marshall's, I always want to make sure that they're not swatched or tampered with, because people don't really care and they will open the stuff up. So I'll probably do one of these when I get back to my parents' house. I was just gonna go ahead and go home right after TJ Maxx, but Hobby Lobby is just across the street, so I think I'm gonna go over there and look real quick, and then I'm gonna go home. It's already 1:29, and I'm just ready to go home and chill, honestly, and watch some YouTube and just chillax on my off day. And there's literally someone sitting beside me watching me. But yeah, so I will see you guys at Hobby Lobby.
Code 1 to the fabric table, please. Code 1 to the fabric table.
Hey, also, I just got back to my parents' house. I was gonna show you the stuff I got from Hobby Lobby really quick because I already showed you the stuff that I got at TJ Maxx, and that was those 2 masks, and I'm actually gonna use one. Is this cute little gather, whatever you want to call this thing. It's so cute. It just, I don't know, this little circle thing. But it's so cute just to hang on the wall. And this was 40% off. Their spring stuff right now is 40% off. So this was originally $15. The next thing I got was this little wooden, I don't know what you would call this. It just says wood table decor. For Christmas, above our oven, we had a little Merry Christmas thing almost just like this. And so I saw this and I was like, I really like the way that looked during Christmas. So I saw this and I figured I would get this. It just says Home Sweet Home. And it looks like it's chalkboard. But I thought this was really cute, and it was 40% off as well. And it was originally $15. But I just thought that was so cute to sit above my oven, or honestly anywhere if I decide to move it. And then the last thing I got was this cute little plaque. I love this so much. I don't know where I'm gonna hang this yet. Maybe in our like entryway to our apartment. I'm not really sure. It just says our nest. It's cute. It's got gray stripes and this cute, I just love stuff like this. Oh, focus. And this was originally $20 and it was 40% off as well. I can try, if I find the links, I can try to link it all down below. But if not, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. But all 3 of these things were like $34, so it wasn't too bad. They're just so cute. I figured that it just goes with my little farmhouse theme so well. And yeah, I love them. They're so pretty.